What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bears After Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. We've got the Blackstone heating up. I've got the Hartford Athletic shirt on. Let's go. We have ourselves some chicken breast with some Spellbound from Lanes. And we have ourselves some Schweid & Sons brisket and chuck blended sliders. We're going to throw them on some King's Hawaiian rolls. We're going to slice them, throw them on there, and cover those bad boys in that amazing burger sauce that I made yesterday. That's right, the Zapped sauce. Stay tuned. Let's see how it's done. What is up? Let's get this party started. Let's do this. So we're making some sliders outside, but I really wanted a way to make my sliders just a bit different. So I'm going to make my own homemade slider sauce. We're going to call it the Zapped sauce from Bears After Barbecue. That'd be sick. Honestly, I love burger sauce, but I feel like a lot of it's just okay, right? Well, I'm going to show you how to go from having just okay burger sauce to having incredible burger sauce that you can enjoy on, well, burgers, sliders, chicken, and really anything. You can put this thing on a hot dog for all I care. It'd be pretty banging. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a half a cup of mayo. So we use Mike's Amazing Real mayo. We're going to throw a half a cup in here. More. Awesome. All right, so we got a half a cup of mayo. We're gonna do 4 teaspoons of ketchup. That's 1. 2. There's a little bit more, so we're going to do a little less on that one. 3, 4, beautiful. 4 teaspoons of ketchup. Then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of mustard. We're just going to use some yellow mustard on this. Shake it up. We don't want any of the mustard water. All right. We have our mustard. Get out as much as we can. Beautiful. Then we are going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. A 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of Spellbound by Lanes barbecue. It's going to add awesome coloring and incredible taste. We're going to add 1 pickle that I've chopped up. And these are just dill pickles. And then 1 teaspoon of pickle juice. Don't skimp out on the pickle juice. Don't skip it. Don't forget it. It adds an awesome tang to it. Just mix it up. You can do this in a blender. I'm just doing it by hand, as you can see. And this is the beautiful coloring that you're left with. And what a taste. Wow. Incredible. Ooh, that's really good. Make it. It's super good. Like I said, it's amazing on burgers, right? We're going to use them on some sliders tonight. It'd be good on steak sandwiches, chicken sandwiches. I mean, you name it, it'd be good. So crush it, make it, enjoy it. You could add, if you wanted to add some spice to it, you could absolutely add spice to it as well. You could throw in some cayenne pepper, some hot sauce, Tabasco sauce, but that's nice. It's sweet, it's tangy. It's just got a great flavor and a beautiful color. Do it. One thing I forgot to mention, so I add it to like my little mini jars. Sometimes I have my little logo on here. I don't have my logo on this one, but it's really important to let this chill together. So put it in a little container, cover your mixing bowl, whatever it is, put it in a covered container, toss it in the fridge for a while. It's going to thicken up a bit, but it's also going to let the flavors incorporate. Man, make this for friends and blow their minds. Tell them Bear Zapper sent you, though. Do it. All right, chicken's on. Sliders are on. These things are going to cook up real quick because they're super thin. And that's how I like it. Awesome. All right, chicken is done. Throw these on. And now the sliders are, that one fell apart on me. I don't love that. That's okay. These are cooking, just about done. We gotta really scrape this bad boy down and re-season it. All right, we hit them with some of that Zapped sauce. Now we're gonna take a chicken as well. Hit that. Yeah. Across the board awesomeness.